For several years, Nu-Calgon's Thermo-Trap products have been popular methods of protecting components from heat in the HVAC and plumbing industries. Now, Nu-Calgon introduces the new ThermoTrap Putty, a heat sink that can be reused up to 40 times. When applied to a metal working surface, ThermoTrap Putty soaks up heat and reduces heat transfer to protect sensitive components. You can apply ThermoTrap Putty to copper, steel, or other pipe surfaces to offer ultimate protection when welding, brazing, or soldering. ThermoTrap Putty blocks direct and conductive heat and cools down heated surfaces much more effectively than a traditional wet rag. Its no-mess formula strongly adheres to surfaces and can be easily removed for the next job. All you need to do is apply, remove, and reuse up to 40 times. Simply add a small amount of water on the putty to rejuvenate it. And don't worry about mold forming on the putty after reuse. ThermoTrap contains antimicrobial chemistry to prevent this. So put the wet rag in its place and get the heat control performance of ThermoTrap Putty. Another quality product from Nu-Calgon, the brand you can trust.